This wig was sent to me from Braids Queen Official. I will be leaving a link down in the information box below if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit. I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and admire it for a little bit because I know this wig is a bomb. I'm absolutely in love with it. I'm not even gonna waste y'all time. We're just gonna go ahead and jump right into the review, how I installed this wig, and afterwards we're gonna talk about if I struggled, some tips, and all of that jazz, okay? So I will see you guys in the outro, right? So this is the final look. Obviously, once again, I did receive this hair from braidsqueen.com. Let's go ahead and get right into it and talk about this unit. Oh my god, once again, I'm so in love with this hair. My husband loves it on me as well. As you guys know, I'm bald, so I have no type of hair to grip at this time for some braids, although I really want some braids. So this is the perfect type of wig if you don't like to sit too long to get some braids, or if you're just tender-headed, or if you're just bald like myself. This is the perfect wig for you, sis. Shipping was super freaking fast. This is the wig for you. Like, it's super easy, and like I said, you don't have to do any work, okay? So if you're lazy like myself and you are absolutely in love with braided units, you need to go ahead and cop this one in your wig collection, sis. Like, it's a definite must-have for me. I absolutely love this on. It looks so natural. I love everything about it. The lace, the style, beautiful. And you can tell that they actually, you know, went ahead and braided this themselves. Just absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Like, I have no complaints about this hair whatsoever. It's not heavy. That's another thing. It's not heavy at all. So the braids are just very light, you know. Like, some people find this actually really convenient, like myself, so it works out for some people, okay? So to each his own, all right? But yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching me.